In this video, I want to show you how I have earned Bitcoin. Okay, because some persons have asked me how would they earn Bitcoin? Is it true? Now this is a live screen. As you can see, this is a live screen. This is my dashboard, my Satoshi Core mining dashboard. Now I've earned Bitcoin. Uh, Let me show you. This is it. This is the Bitcoin that I've earned. Okay, and I have a total of okay, $21 worth of Bitcoin, as you can see it here. All right, this is it as well. This is it. So I earned this through this Satoshi mining app, and as you can see here, under my miners section, this is my miners. I just click on it. Under this section, you see the little fractions of Bitcoin that I have earned so far. Okay, now this is it. I have earned from this referral. Okay, look at it. All these are the Bitcoin that I have earned. I have not claimed it yet. That is why you still can see it on the page. Okay, I think there are still more. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this is another one. Okay, now if I want to claim this Bitcoin, what I will simply need to do is I will go to the page. Okay, I'll click on it. When I click on it, you see received reward successfully. Okay, so this is the amount that I've just received. So I wanted to take a close look at this value. Take a close look at this value. As I claim the Bitcoin, it will be adding up. All right, now let me go to the next page. Okay, now let me claim the first one. All right, let me claim the second one. Claimed already. As you can see, it's adding up. Okay, the third one. Okay, so that is how I have been earning Bitcoin. Okay, from Satoshi Core mining app. I still have one left. I click on it. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, there's still another one. Now the question is, how did I earn all this? It's very simple. What you need to do is you share your links, your referral link, you tell people about Core, tell people about Satoshi BTCS. When they sign up with your link, you teach them how to mine, and once they are active, you receive Bitcoin. You are gifted Bitcoin. Okay, the system will gift you Bitcoin for referring those who started mining with your links. Okay, now as you can see, I have a total number of 1,226 miners. Okay, now let's check my mining factory. This is my mining factory. Let's check it. You see, in my level 1, I have 717 miners. These are the people I referred directly. Okay, now the people I referred a total number of 509 recruits. Okay, now they all sum up to this total value that you have here, 1,226. Okay, so what I simply do is every day I make sure that I copy my referral link. Okay, I post it on social media. So I tell my friends about Core, tell them the importance of Core. Okay, you convince them. Okay, when they are convinced, they will sign up with your links. Yes, we know it's not everyone that you explain to that will understand and that will want to sign up. Okay, but that is not a problem. If you tell one person and he doesn't want to sign up, you tell another person. Before you tell 10 persons, two persons out of the 10 will sign up. Okay, and once they sign up, you teach them, you tell them how to mine. And when they start mining, you get Bitcoin from each of those recruits. Okay, now I've explained in my previous video how to get your referral link. You get that by clicking on recruit miners. Okay, recruit miners. Then you copy your referral link. You understand? You copy your referral link by clicking on copy URL. So you can use any platform of your choice to promote your links. Okay, you can create a landing page. If you have a very great audience in your WhatsApp, you can post it on WhatsApp. Okay, I've told people post consistently. When you post today and you don't see any recruit, you don't recruit anybody, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't continue. You keep on posting. You understand? You keep on posting. Now take a very good look at this is my, let me show you my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Every day, and this is my status. Every day I post about Core. Okay, this is a kind of flyer I designed. All right, this is the write-up that I use. Yes, feel free. You can use this as an example. Okay, you can copy this. It's free. You can post your links. Attach your links to the text. Then you can create a WhatsApp group where you funnel all your recruits. Then you teach them. Okay, I also have my own WhatsApp group, of which I'll drop the link in the description. Okay, so if you have new recruits and you don't know how to explain to them, you can channel them to my WhatsApp group where I drop updates about Core on daily basis. All right. So as you can see here, I mine 0.03 Core per block per 10 minutes. Okay, I've explained how these blocks are mined in my previous videos. You understand? So what this means is that in a day I earn up to 4 Core. Okay, in a day I earn up to 4 Core or thereabout. Now this is 0.03. Let us use our calculator. Okay, let's use our calculator. This is our calculator. Okay, I earn 0.03 Core, and in every 24 hours, we mine 150 blocks. So let's multiply it by 150. What this simply means is averagely in a day I earn 4.5 cores. Okay, now how do I earn this core? It is because of the number of recruits already that I have. Now all their contributions, okay, the activities of all those who I've recruited, they all sum up to this contributed. Okay, and as you can see, I have 12.65 million. Okay, and also you see, take a look at my hash here. I have 1.2 million value of hash. You understand? So all these, they sum up to the value I've just shown you. So when you recruit your miners and your miners are active, all their activities will add up to your contributed. And the higher the value you have in your contributed, the higher the number of core you mine per 10 minutes. Okay, so this has a very great role to play in this. Okay, the higher this value, the higher the value of core you mine every 10 minutes. You understand? So that is how it works. That is how it works. So actually, you can earn Bitcoin by referring active recruits. Okay, by referring active miners. You understand? Now, some persons also, they've asked me if they can be able to withdraw. Is this a scam or what? This is not a scam. You can withdraw. As a matter of fact, from this system, from this app, I've withdrawn 2 times before. Okay, and I still have some fractions of BTC left. Okay, let me show you. You click on me at the top left corner, down, sorry, beneath. Now you click on Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, and then click on BTC again. Now this is the withdrawal option. Okay, for those who don't believe, if you want to withdraw your BTC, this is where you click and withdraw. You understand? Now take a look at this. On this very day, okay, I withdrew BTC. Now the transaction was completed. You understand? Now on this very day as well, I also withdraw BTC. So I've withdrawn twice, and this is the time I did the withdrawal. This is the time I did the withdrawal, and this is the amount of BTC that I've withdrawn for this first day. Then the second day, this is the amount of BTC that I withdrawn. Okay, so this is what I did just now. I tapped on this just to show you the details of the transaction. All right. Now, this is the status. It's completed. Okay. This is the transaction ID. You understand? So, It is real. You can earn BTC for free. Okay, and the only way to do that is by referring new active miners. You refer your friends, you tell your friends about BTC, share your links with them, get them registered, teach them. Okay, create a WhatsApp group, create a Facebook group, teach people about BTC, about Satoshi Core. And by so doing, you get people registered. And once they register, you have your contributed values increasing, thereby increasing the number of core you mine per block, and also you obtain free Bitcoin. Okay, the system gives you free Bitcoin by doing all this. Okay, so take a look here. Take a look here. This is not much. This is the total number of core that I've mined so far. It's not that much. Okay, but you know, it's really not easy. It's really not easy. So if you want to get something like this, if you want to get up to this figure value, though we don't have the time, but you can still do your best. You can still try. Okay, you can still try. Do as much as you can to recruit new miners. When you recruit new miners, it will increase your contributed. It will increase the number of core you mine. Okay, so it will add up to what you have here, and it will increase it so that before the 12th of December 2022, you will accumulate as many core as you can. Okay, so BTC is real. Yes, you can earn it free of charge in this Satoshi Core mining. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and you click on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on my channel, you get notified. Thank you. See you in my next video.